Assalamu alaikum. Hope everyone is fine. Dear students, today I am going to read page number 106 of chapter 13. And today's our topic of reading is Organization of the Islamic Cooperation. Organization mean association or society. Cooperation mean collaboration or working together. So earlier known as the Organization of the Islamic Conference, this is an association of 57 Islamic nations which tries to resolve problems of the Muslim world and to increase economic, social, cultural, educational, and scientific relations among them. It also tries to support peace and security among all nations and to protect the holy places. So, this is the organization of the Islamic Conference, OIC, and I told you that organization mean association or society, and conference means a formal meeting for discussion. ठीक है. So here is the word resolve means sort out करना, solve करना problems को of the Muslim world. ठीक है. This organization works for the Muslim or Islamic nations throughout the world and also protect the holy places. OIC began in 1967 in Rabat, Morocco, with 44 members from Asia, Africa, and the Middle East, but more have been added as countries became independent. Independent mean free from outside control. ठीक है. There are three countries which are not generally considered Muslims have strong ties with Islam. Number one is Thailand, Bosnia, and the Central African Republic. These sit at meetings of the OIC as observers but cannot vote. Observers mean viewers. The heads of state of the OIC nations meet every 3 years at the headquarters in Jeddah, but the foreign ministers meet every year to prepare for the next general conference. The immediate problems facing the organization are Palestine, Muslim minorities, freedom for some African states, and improvement of human rights. Minorities mean less in number, okay? And improvement mean अपग्रेड या बेटरमेंट के लिए ठीक है काम करना है एडवांस human rights. It tries to improve education by building and equipping new schools and universities and to give better health and welfare programs to the member states, some of which are desperately poor. Equipping mean upgrade या advance करना. And here is the word desperately means hopeless. ठीक है मायूस. One of its long-term aims is to establish an Islamic common market like that in Europe. This would make trading among Muslim nations much easier and establish common custom duties. If it follows the European pattern, it will abolish the need for passport among member nations. Abolish mean ख़त्म कर देना. ठीक है. This is the logo of OIC. And on 26 June 2011, OIC changed its name to Organization of the Islamic Cooperation. Clear? This is all about our today's lesson. Thank you so much.